how to navigate the world of Fortnite. Essential tips for new players. Here is a step-by-step guide to help you navigate the world of Fortnite and get ahead of the competition. From basic mechanics to advanced strategies, we've got you covered. 1. Understanding the basics. Before you jump into the action, it is important to get familiar with the core mechanics. Battle Royale mode. You are dropped onto an island with 100 players. The last one standing wins. Build and fight. You can build structures, walls, ramps, etc. to gain a tactical advantage and defend yourself while battling opponents. The Storm. The playable area shrinks as the game progresses, forcing players into a smaller zone. Don't get caught in the storm. 2. Choose your landing spot. Pick a quiet spot. As a new player, it is best to avoid hot zones filled with pro players. Try landing in quieter areas where you can loot and gather resources without the immediate risk of combat. Looting. Collect weapons, shields, and healing items. Look for chests and supply drops that offer better loot. 3. Master the building mechanic. Building is a huge part of Fortnite. Practice the following. Walls. Use them for defense to block shots or protect yourself from enemies. Ramps. Build ramps to gain the high ground during combat. Doors and roofs. Use this for protection or as a platform to build upwards. Editing. Once you are comfortable with building, practice editing structures to outsmart your opponents. Cheating. Please do share, like, and subscribe to our channel. 4. Learn the weapons. Fortnite has a wide variety of weapons with different strengths. Assault rifles, reliable for mid-range combat. Shotguns, great for close encounters. Sniper rifles, perfect for long-distance shots. Explosives, use grenades or rocket launchers to take out enemies hiding behind structures. Experiment with different weapons to find your favorites. Always carry a mix of weapon types. 5. Stay aware of the storm. As the match progresses, the storm will shrink the safe zone. Keep an eye on the storm circle and plan your movements to avoid getting trapped in the shrinking area. 6. Use consumables wisely. Healing items, medkits, bandages, and slurp juices are your best friends. Use them to recover health during or after a fight. Shield potions. Always carry small shield potions or slurp juice to stay protected. Traps. Place traps to ambush opponents or block off areas where enemies might be coming. 7. Stay calm in combat. Positioning. Always try to fight from a position of strength. Use building to elevate yourself or protect yourself. Control your engagements. Don't engage in fights you don't need to. Let opponents fight each other while you stay hidden. Use headphones. Sound is crucial in Fortnite. Footsteps, chests, and enemy builds are all easier to hear with good headphones. 8. Team up in squads. Communication. If you are playing with friends, communication is key. Use voice chat or pings to share information or warn teammates about nearby enemies. Reviving teammates. If your squad mate is knocked down, you can revive them. Just make sure to stay alert during the process. 9. Get familiar with the map. Points of interest or POIs. Learn the locations of popular POIs like Gilded Towers, Retail Row, and Lazy Lake. These areas often have better loot but are also riskier. Rotating. Understand where the safe zone will be and plan your movement accordingly. Keep an eye on potential ambush spots. 10. Keep improving. Practice makes perfect. The more you play, the better you will get. Spend time in creative mode to hone your building and aiming skills. Watch tutorials. Learn from other players by watching streamers or YouTubers. Pick up on strategies that can help improve your gameplay. Adapt to updates. Fortnite is always evolving. Stay up to date with new seasons, weapons, and gameplay mechanics to stay competitive. 11. Have fun. Fortnite is about having fun, but don't stress over every match. Enjoy the unique skins, dances, and creative modes that make the game exciting for everyone. By following these tips, you'll be well on your way to mastering Fortnite and enjoying all the thrills that game has to offer. Good luck and may you achieve Victory Royale. And that's a wrap on today's Fortnite adventure, my friends. Whether you are just starting out or leveling up your skills, remember, for leveling up your skills. Every game is a new opportunity to grow, learn, and most importantly, have fun. You've got the power, skills, and the magic to conquer the battlefield. So go out there, build your dreams. Fight for the victory royale. Only limit your success is your imagination. Stay positive, keep pushing yourself, and remember, in the world of Fortnite and beyond, your journey is what makes you legendary. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe for more tips and tricks, hit the bell so you never miss out on the magic. Until next time, keep building, keep battling, and always keep believing in the power of your potential. See you on the battlefield, champion.